All right, so I'm pretty excited about what we're going to show off today, which is Chargent Terminal. So this has been a big focus of our organization for the last 18 months to maybe 2 years or so. When we went and did our research on the App Exchange, there really wasn't a modern retail payment solution out there for customers. One of the primary reasons that we chose Chargent Terminal is because out of the box, it's already EMV certified. So your processor will insert an encryption code on it and will allow it to have full encryption between the device and the endpoint. You know, that is what Chargent Terminal is. It's a fully EMV certified and PCI compliant terminal that we have integrated fully into Salesforce. So you might be asking, why Chargent Terminal? Well, first off, you pay more. When you run a card not present solution, you pay about a percentage more. The other thing was, we had a lot of customers that were saying they needed to be able to enable their ERP processes inside of Salesforce, or also just get into their GL. So I think one of the things that's really interesting about the device is that it supports a bunch of different payment types. It actually even supports barcode payments or QR code payments, which are not really a thing here in the US, but in China today there's 520 million QR code have been assigned for payments. The device is already ready for that. You can actually register a paper check, or you could take cash. So there are physical cash register drawers that can come along with this. If that's something you needed to take, we can support that also. So today you can definitely swipe, but as we all know, that's kind of going by the wayside. And you can use a chip, what's commonly known as dip. So that's the little chip that we all have on most of our cards today. And then it does work with Apple Pay or Google Pay. It also works with tap. So you know, this particular card that I just got from Venmo last week has the chip, also has the NFC, so I can tap it. One of the first questions we kept getting is, well, where is this applicable? You know, if you're any type of store that's taking payments today, but also want that data to come inside Salesforce, we are a very good match for that. So kind of typical retail, we've got the tools to help you with that. We've heard from a lot of nonprofits, they want to be able to walk around events and take payments. We've got a large outdoor retail organization that we work with, and they want to be able to go and collect membership dues inside their big event every year. We have worked with hospitality companies, so check in, check out. Oh, and field service teams. We've been talking to a lot of field service teams where somebody's at a site in a home perhaps and want to be able to take a card. Obviously, doing that via typing it in is just, again, not a good experience for folks. And so today we've got a few hundred of these in the market, and we're pretty happy with that, just a couple of years in, and we're looking forward to doing more.